Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and for today I wanted to make another soil experiment wherein we're just gonna be using pumice stones for our succulents. So mostly ng aking mga succulents are planted doon sa ating potting mix na alnus compost and pumice stone. So in other words, mas madami yung alnos as compared nga sa ating pumice stones. And so far, okay naman yung growth ng ating mga succulents. I didn't really have any problem with them. Ayan, so including itong ating bear spawn na ito. So isa ito sa mga malapit nang mamatay before, pero ayan, naging okay naman siya kahit na mas madami yung alnos as compared sa kanyang pumice stone. So usually kasi naglalagay tayo ng pumice stones for better drainage, especially na yung ating mga succulents ayaw talaga nila ng kumbaga wet na soil. So right now I have prepared two pots for this experiment. So yung isang pot, naglagay ako nung ano to parang 70 na pumice with alnos. Tapos yung isa naman is 100% na pumice lang. So I'm not really sure if mabubuhay ba yung ating succulents, or kung mabuhay man, gaano kalaki yung growth ng succulent natin pag pure pumice stones lang yung gagamitin natin. And so right now we will be subjecting this succulent. This is the Echeveria white coffee, and ito lang yung pinaka first na white coffee natin, and since may mga offsets na nga siya dyan na magka same na size, I decided na ito yung gagamitin natin for this soil mix experiment. Ayan, so itong two resets here, ikakat natin yan, and yan nga yung itatanim natin sa ating pots. Before natin itanim yung cuttings, I just wanted to show you kung gaano nga ba ka-well draining itong potting mix na meron tayo dito. So this one is yung may alnos compost. Ayan, so mabilis rin naman siyang mag-drain. Ayan, diba? So kumbaga pagkadilig natin talagang nagdi-drain na agad yung tubig. And itong ating pumice stones, so syempre expected na talagang parang magde-drain lang agad yung tubig dyan. Ayan. And there you have it, diba? So, both of them are actually well draining. And yung ginamit pala nating pumice stones for today is not washed. Ayan, hindi siya nahugasan, kaya may parang mga sandy residue siya dyan, but it doesn't really matter. Ayan, so well draining talaga siya, pero ang question na lang is, kaya niya bang buhayin yung ating mga succulents? And yun nga yung itatry nating gawin for today. And we are finally done potting these cuttings into these pots, and finally we can answer yung mga inquiries before kung kaya nga bang mabuhay ng mga succulents sa pure pumice lang. So definitely, we just need to wait for several months. Siguro after 3 months, we can give you another update of this soil mix na experiment. And I really hope na both of them would survive. So tingnan na lang natin if there would be a difference in terms of their size. And that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also visit our Facebook page at Desert Succulent PH.